going on, guys? It's your boy John, also known as BBOy Echo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do coffee grinder, also known as the Hurricane. Alright, for this coffee grinder you could either use one hand or two hands, but I'm going to show you guys with two hands. And I do my coffee grinder with my left leg and I go clockwise. Okay, so in this instant you're only gonna be on your hands once, one cycle. Okay, so that's how it looks like. So this left leg is gonna swipe over, and as it swipes over, your hands are gonna let go, and as your hands are in the air, this left leg is gonna go to the pocket, and as it goes in the pocket, your hands are about to hit the ground, and as it hit the ground, your right leg is gonna go over the left, and then your left leg is gonna swipe to the start. I'll show you guys from the back. Alright, so the left leg is gonna swipe to the right side over, hands gonna let go. At the same time, your left leg is gonna go to the pocket, and when your hands reach the floor, your right leg is gonna go over your left, and then you're gonna switch back to the start. The coffee grinder in action.